Today we'll see how to make Thecha. The word Thecha literally means pounding, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. If you're a fan of chili oils and all things spicy, you don't want to miss this one. So first off, we'll dry roast some peanuts on low to medium flame until they get charred bits on them. Peanuts taste better if slow roasted and also prevents them from burning too quickly. Make sure to keep stirring every 10 to 15 seconds. Once cooked, remove them in a plate, and once cooled, remove their shells. Now you can remove the shells by rubbing them in between your palms like that and blow over the shells to remove them, or you can do it individually. Keep them aside. Next, we'll roast some green chilies with a little bit of oil. Not too much, just enough to coat the chilies. We don't want to fry them. These are Indian green chilies that you can find in any Indian grocery store. Make sure to take the ones that are plump and firm. Depending on their quality, they can be very spicy. You want these chilies to get charred bits on their skins without completely burning them. Press the chilies with a spoon to give them a nice char on their skin. This step is important because this is what is going to give our dish a smoky flavor that we need. So don't skimp on this step. Once done, remove them and keep aside. We'll now pound everything in a mortar and pestle. I'm using budgi here, a type of mortar and pestle. This one is made of wood. I like this because of its wide shape. You can use any mortar and pestle. You can even use a mixer grinder or a blender, but keep in mind that pounding always tastes better. Add your green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, coriander. I've kept the slender stems of coriander, but remove the hard, thick ones. Some salt. Here salt is going to help crush things better. Don't worry if it's less, we'll season it again at the end. We don't want to pound it too fine that it becomes a mushy paste. We actually want to keep it a little chunkier. You see how it's a little coarse? When it reaches this stage, add your roasted peanuts. The reason why we didn't add this before is we want to retain some chunks of roasted peanuts in the Thecha. Adding it earlier will make it into a paste, making the whole thing sticky. Pound it for a minute or until you have small bite-sized chunks of peanut. Keep this aside. Give it a quick taste. If it needs more salt, go in and add some here and give it a stir. The recipe tends to be a little on the saltier side. The salt helps to temper the spiciness. If you taste only heat at this stage, chances are you've not added enough salt. Heat some oil until it just starts to smoke and add the cumin seeds. Once they swell up, remove immediately and pour the oil into the Thecha. You can even take a little Thecha and mop up the leftover oil.